Good morning, dear students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we have fifth lecture of class 7. Open your books on page number 7. Today we are going to start exercise A. Exercise A is about similes. First, I would like to tell you what is simile. Simile is a figure of speech. It means comparing two unlike things that is often introduced by like or as. For example, her cheeks are as red as roses, or her cheeks like roses. The next simile is the fog is coming like a blanket. He is running as tiger. It means the word simile shows the comparison between two unlike things. Now see your exercise A. They have given you a simile. She sings like an angel. You will describe this sentence in simple words. Its meaning is she has a lovely singing voice. I'm repeating, she sings like an angel. When you will write in easy word, its meaning is she has lovely singing voice. The next one is it fits like a glove. It fits like a glove. It means it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. The third one is this is like watching grass and grow. This is like watching grass grow. It means this is really boring. This is really boring. The fourth one is he babbles like a brook. He babbles like a brook. It means he talks too much. He talks too much. Number 5, he was out like a light. He was out like a light. It means he fell asleep straight away. It means he quickly fell asleep. So he fell asleep straight away. This exercise you will solve on the book. Keep it in mind that you will write these answers or these explanations with pencils on your book. I hope you would have understood. Now we are going to start the next exercise. Next exercise is open your books on page number 7. Exercise B. Exercise B is vocabulary. Vocabulary means the words, the treasure of words. Here they have given you the words. You will choose two meanings from the box given above. In the box they have given you the words. Here you have total the words 6. In the exercise you have 6 words: money, thick, teeming, hurdle, explorer, prevent. But when you will write down the meaning, so you will find out 2 meanings for each word. So total they have given you 12 words or 12 phrases in the box. You will find out the correct meaning, then you will write down in front of the words. The first word is money. The first word is money. Here in the box they have given you the words lots of layers, bursting with stop, cash, searcher, currency, gathered together, adventurer, don't allow, full of, chunky, and punch up. So which words have the same meanings with money? That is the word cash. What is the word? Cash. So they have solved for you cash plus currency. So the two words The money has two meaning. One meaning is cash, other is currency. Second word is thick. You know thick, what is thick? Thick means something which is bulky. So here they have given you the meanings. But thick means lots of layers. As you say that this book is thick and this one is thin, so thick book has lots of layers, lots of pages. So thick means lots of layers. The other meanings for it is chunky. What is the other meaning? Is chunky. Chunky means too much, or you can say bulky. Chunky, chunky. You will write the meanings. The third word is steaming. Third word is steaming. Steaming means full of. Steaming means full of. For example, as you say, the glass is full of water, or the glass is steaming with water. Steaming with water means it is full of water. Then, so you will write the word full of, and the other meaning is bursting with. Bursting with. They have given you two words for bursting with. You will write here teeming, bursting with, plus full of. The next word is huddle. Huddle means gathered together. You have read this word in the chapter that the penguins huddle on the island. So huddle means gathered together. And the other meaning is here I have written for you people, bunch up. What is the other meaning? Is bunch up. Huddle together means bunch up and gather together. The next word is explorer. Explorer is a person who always in the search of finding out new things. So he is the explorer. So here the meaning of explorer is searcher plus adventurer. Searcher and adventurer. The next word is prevent. Prevent means to stop. When you stop something, you prevent something. And don't allow. Stop, don't allow. So in front of prevent, we will write these two meanings. Here I will also give you the pictures of this exercise. Then you will do it in your books. I hope you would have understood. Allah Hafiz.